Hi friends, welcome to my channel Magic Collections once again, and I'm back with one more feedback from my collections. Banaras pure saree with gold combination and zari booty, you can see here, and this is full saree. You can see snuff and gold combination. Already I have posted two more sarees. You can see this beautiful saree and with beautiful pallu. You can see rich pallu, gold and snuff rich pallu, pure Banaras saree, weaving saree. You can see how beautiful it is, and border with beautiful border, zari border. You can see beautiful rich pallu. You can watch this, okay, and you can see complete saree. See all this, see how it is beautiful. You can see beautiful saree with beautiful color, snuff and gold combination, and you can see all over saree beautiful. How beautiful it is with gold combination all over saree, like this. It looks like this, and you see complete saree, beautiful saree, and here you can see. And now you see beautiful blouse. Blouse will come like this, not with this design. Blouse with border, plain blouse with border. You can see this is like this. We have designed this design from market. You can see blouse will come like this, hands will come like this, and design we selected for this plain blouse. Design doesn't come with this blouse. You can see the design. You can use this design for your blouses also. See how beautiful it is, golden zari, like this. So blouse will come plain with border only, not with design. So this is pure Banaras saree, weaving saree. This is, you can see, this is weaving saree, not machine. You can see all this weaving saree, like this. Saree will come with blouse. You can see all this weaving saree, beautiful. You can see, and don't forget to give the valuable feedback, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Magic Collections, and I will come with some more feedback with beautiful sarees from my collections. You can watch this beautiful pallu, rich pallu. You can see the pallu, see the design, how it is. This is completely beautiful rich pallu with this gold and snuff color combination, and the saree will come with light weight, not heavy. Everyone can drape this saree very easily for parties, functions. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to give your comments in comment section box. If you want more details about my collections, my sarees and quality and assurance, you can ping me for my number given below in this video, and you can see the description also. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.